outer world grows soft and dim as senses drift away. A quiet depth begins to stir beyond the edge of day. The mind turns inward, clear and still, no reaching left to do. Old patterns rise like distant stars, once hidden, now in view. In the silence, memory wakes beyond the mind's design. Impressions held through time and form return in gentle signs. Not stories told, not scenes replayed, but meaning deeply known. A trail of growth, a path of light, the soul has always shown. Each echo carries what was learned through trial, joy and pain, the shaping force of former steps that guides the now again. Nobody bound, no name recalled, no moment fixed in place. Only the wisdom gathered slow through passage, change and grace. In the silence, memory wakes beyond the mind's design. Impressions held through time and form return in gentle signs. Not stories told, not scenes replayed, but meaning deeply known. A trail of growth, a path of light, the soul has always shown. This knowing moves beyond the sense, beyond the present frame. The thread of purpose woven through each shift, each form, each name. The past unfolds as living truth, not memory but sight. A continuity of being felt within the inner light. Through focus, stillness, calm and clear, the deeper record shows the shaping force of what has been, and how awareness grows, not bound by time, not lost in form. The soul remembers